Hello. In this video, I will show you how to install Chrome web browser in Windows 11. First thing that we need to do is to open Microsoft Edge. Secondly, type in the search field download Chrome. Scroll down and click on the link Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built. You should end up on the website google.com/Chrome. If you want to help Google by sending your statistics and crash reports, keep the checkbox checked. Otherwise, uncheck it and click on Download Chrome. Your download will start in the top right corner, and a pop-up will appear with the download progress. Click on Open File to start the Chrome installation, and click on Yes to install the Chrome web browser software. The installation should take a couple of minutes and will close automatically. After the installation, the newly installed Chrome web browser will pop up automatically, and a shortcut of Chrome will be placed on your desktop. The only step that is left is to set Chrome as our default browser. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen. Search for Default Apps and click on it. A list of apps will appear. Search for Google Chrome and click on it. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see the button Set Default. This will set your Chrome browser as your main surfing tool. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Chrome web browser on your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.